Hello and welcome to Industech Fusion 360 tutorial. My name is Lawrence and I'm excited to guide you through this presentation where we'll be delving into Fusion 360 user interface. We'll be exploring the various features and tools that makes up Fusion 360 workspace to help you get familiar with the software and unlock its full potential. Autodesk Fusion Intuitive Interface is comprised of the application bar, different workspaces, toolbars, and the canvas. From the application bar, select Data Panel to show or hide the data panel. In the data panel, access your team's project and design, manage design data, and collaborate with others. You can also access sample projects. Expand the File menu to create, open, upload, export, recover, 3D print, and share designs. To create a new design, open a new tab. Click Extensions to manage your access to Fusion extensions. Select Job Status to view the status of any current jobs, Fusion Update status, and your online or offline status. In the Notification Center, find tips and messages related to your work. From Help, access learning contents, documentation, quick setup, community resources, technical supports, and diagnostic tools. Information also about Fusion installation. Select Quick Setup. From this dialog, quickly configure your default units and navigation settings. Close the dialog. Click My Profile to access your account, change your Fusion preferences, switch your current team, or update your profile. For instance, select Preferences. Then from the Preference dialog, General page, enable Show Tooltips. Click Apply and then close the dialog. Now, hover your cursor over a command from the ribbon. A tooltip displays providing a short description of the command. Fusion capabilities are grouped into purpose-driven workspaces. To switch workspaces, expand the Workspace menu. The tools in each workspace are organized as tabs in the toolbar according to design objectives. Some tools are available across multiple workspaces. The Design workspaces lets you create and edit solid, surface, and T-spine model geometry driven by 2D sketch geometry. From the Create panel, access sketch and firm commands. In the Sketch Contexture tab, create and modify 2D sketches that drive the 3D geometry of your design. From the Generative Design workspace, simultaneously generate multiple CAD-ready design solutions based on manufacturing and performance requirements. In the Render workspace, create photorealistic images of your design. From the Animation workspace, create 3D exploded views and animation of your design. Then share them with collaborators and clients to help them understand and evaluate the design. In the Simulation workspace, set up studies to simulate how your design performs under various conditions, analyze the results, and make informed decisions about your design changes. In the Manufacture workspace, create toolpath to produce your design using a variety of manufacturing processes. In the Drawing workspace, document manufacturing specifications using integrated associative drawing and animation for parts and assemblies. Once you have a workspace open, like the Design workspace, notice the toolbar is divided into tabs organizing tools into logical groupings. Each tab is divided into panels. From the Solid tab, expand the Create drop-down to view a full menu of the tools contained within the Create panel. Contextual tabs only become active in context to the command you invoke. They are not visible until the commands they are associated with is selected. For example, from the Create drop-down, select Create Sketch. In the Canvas, pick a work plane. The Sketch Contextual tab opens with tools to create and modify your 2D sketches. When you click Most Commands, a dialog opens so you can configure your settings. In this example, the sketch palette opened. To preserve some space in the canvas, click the arrow to collapse the dialog. Click Finish Sketch to close the dialog entirely. Right-click anywhere in the canvas to access the marking menu, which contains frequently used commands and an overflow menu with navigation tools and shortcuts. The browser lists your document settings, named views, and all the elements in your design. For instance, origins, joints, components, sketches, and bodies. Click the arrow next to a component to collapse or expand its contents. You can also toggle off the visibility of objects off or on. Back on the canvas, notice the view cube. Select one of the faces, corners, or edges of the view cube to navigate to predefined views. Or click the home icon to return to the default home view. You can also control the perspective and set custom views from the View Cube's drop-down menu. From the navigation bar, use the navigation tools to orbit your design, focus on specific details, zoom, pan, and switch to multiple views. You can also change the visual style or environment and adjust grid settings. The timeline shows all the operations performed in your design. Right-click an operation to change or delete it. Drag operations to change the order in which they are calculated. Use the play forward and backward buttons to step through each operation in your design. Select the gear icon to turn design history on or off, toggle component color swatches, and show or hide inactive features. Fusion's intuitive user interface makes it easy to work on your designs. Thank you and see you next time.